Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can watch football live with your friends on Discord. So the very first thing that you need to do is go ahead and go to your Discord and just make sure that you're logged in. So once you're logged in, you just have to join a voice group or voice call. So let's say for example, I'm gonna go in here and click on this one. So as you can see, I'm already in. So let's say, for example, you have your friends in here. So you are the host. So what you're gonna do is just click on this one right here. So you can see just in the bottom. So tap on your share your screen and then just look for the browser that you have in here with the live football. So let's say for example, we're gonna click on this one, the live football. So I'm gonna click on share and then it will share this. So that's it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!